Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. In today's video, we're going over the interior upgrades that we're installing in this 2021 Ford F-150. Hey guys, it's Tim with LeatherSeats.com. We just finished installing one of our custom leather-trimmed interior kits in a 2021 Ford F-150 Super Crew XLT. This kit was built in all black with perforation and stone stitching to tie in with the factory interior. We do offer an optional console lid cover that upgrades the factory vinyl lid to real leather. However, for this build, the customer requested our Sanctum Wireless Charging Console lid upgrade in black with contrasting stone stitching and accent ring to complement the seats. Our wireless charging system is fully integrated into the factory console lid, eliminating any extra cables in the cabin and bulky dash-mounted phone chargers. This system features a QI-compatible charging pad that's manufactured with a hard ridge around the edges to keep your phone in place. The middle trim ring features an optional accent color that can be customized to your vehicle and can also be made with contrast stitching. This unit is compatible with most smartphones that use the QI wireless charging protocol. Our charging tray comes in multiple sizes to accommodate most phones. If your phone case is outside of our standard or XL dimensions, be sure to give us a call as we may have additional options. We're currently selling this wireless charging console lid upgrade for the F-150 as a send-in service. We'll email you a prepaid shipping label to send the lid to us for the upgrade. To remove your console lid, all you'll need is a T20 Torx bit and a 7mm socket. Your wireless charging console lid will arrive ready for you to bolt back in, and there's no custom wiring required if you power the unit using the factory USB outlet inside the center console. If you have 12-volt experience, you can avoid using this USB outlet inside the console and enable fast charging by hardwiring it directly into the F-150's 12-volt system behind the console. For this Ford F-150, we're sending a USB power plug with a fuse and ground pre-wired. You'll need to locate the power and ground wires in the factory wiring harness behind the console in order to splice these in using the provided splicers. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or would like to receive free leather samples, give us a call at 866-NEW-SEAT or email us at sales@LeatherSeats.com. For more information, check out the links in the video description. And if you enjoy this type of content, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date. LeatherSeats.com. Custom look, factory fit.